Hi everyone, I'm Michael, the Scooter King, and in today's video we're gonna remove this ugly windscreen and try to replace it with much nicer one. And while we're at it, we're gonna try to mount it over there and install the phone holder. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit with the new windscreen, but we're definitely gonna try. All the parts that you see us using on our videos can be purchased directly from us on the Scooter King website. We sell all the scooters. We are authorized dealer of KYMCO, Lens, Sim, Genuine and Wolf brand scooters. All of the scooters we ship nationwide and they are fully assembled, delivered to your door, ready to ride. So just go to www.thescooterking.com and choose the one you want. If you have any questions, just call us, email us, whatever is your preferred method of contact, and we're definitely gonna help you to choose the right one for you. In the last video, we reinstalled the Rapid Bike Easy that's supposed to adjust the air-fuel ratio and make the bike to run better. Personally, I think the throttle response feels better. Maybe it's just in my head, but I'm like happier with how smooth it is. I think it rides smoother and I don't hear like a bunch of backfiring like I used to before. The draggy data shows that we slow down throughout the whole range. Before, the last data that we had is that we went 0 to 60 in 4.48 seconds, and after replacing the Rapid Bike Easy that's supposed to make it go faster, we went actually in 4.61 seconds. The difference between the last time when we measure it and this time is that last time was 85 degrees Fahrenheit and now it's 91. I would blame all this loss of the acceleration on the extremely humid environment in Miami right now. It's so hot and so humid. I'm sweating like crazy right now. You know, in my mind, there is no way that these parts make the bike slower. I think it's just because we started to record the videos in like December or January when we put some baselines where there is 50 degrees in Miami sometimes or 60 normally. And right now we are in 90s. So it's a huge difference. And again, it's not just the temperature, 50 or 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 something degrees Fahrenheit is the humidity that comes with it, and now it's like extremely humid outside. You can see me touching my glasses because they're sliding off of my face all the time on my nose. I will show you all the graphs on the screen so you can compare the quarter mile time, 8 mile time and the 0 to 60. The quarter mile time was before we get to a quarter mile in 13.55 seconds, and now we are at 13.69 seconds. We also lost 1 mile an hour on that quarter mile and the top speed. Again, I believe that winter will come, the better temperature and better humidity will come, and we will see the improvements, the numbers that supposed to show. Now we just need to get through the summer. But while we're in the summer, we can definitely make the bike more beautiful. So let's just remove this ugly windscreen. We're not riding anywhere really highways or anything, so we are mostly in the city. So this doesn't have much of a purpose, and I definitely want to make it nicer, more than the functional. So we're gonna replace that today, and like I say, put the phone holder, hopefully. So let's go ahead and do it. So here, let me show you guys what we're going to put on today. Ta-da! Much shorter, beautiful, made by GIVI. Let's see if it even fits. You know, it's supposed to fit, but I don't know if also this fits with our phone holder. So this is supposed to be AK550 exactly made phone holder for this bike with the charger, with everything. So let's see if we can fit both of these and remove this garbage. Big difference. All the KYMCO AK550s have adjustable the position of the front windscreen. You can have it on the mounted on the low position that is not just lower but is also deeper, and then you can have it mounted in this position that is higher and also like further away. So you can see that based on where you're mounting this bracket, that's where the windscreen is gonna sit. This phone holder, as you can see, if you wanted to mount it on the lower position, it just doesn't fit there. So it's meant to be mounted on the higher position, so that will make the position of your windscreen higher, and let's see if I like it that way. Okay, so we have few options. How it's supposed to be mounted, I think from anybody who was manufacturing this, is that they wanted to have this mounted on the high point like this, with the windscreen going to the same bolt, and have it mount the windscreen on the high point as well. It's definitely possible to do what I did. You can definitely put there a bolt and just mount the phone holder in the high position, and put your windscreen, especially this one, it will fit for sure, to mount it on the lower position, but you will need to probably grind out this reinforcement, or find a bolt that has like much smaller head. That's not the problem. Like, I could definitely find the bolt that has like much smaller head, or grind down a little bit of this, and I think it should be fine. But when I place it where it's supposed to be and I put the screen over there, I actually decided that I'm not gonna run it, and not just from this profile but from the side profile. This is approximately the position where it should be, but if you step back and you go from the side, you can see like it sticks out over here a lot, you know. So from the side profile, I don't like it the way how this sticks out so far. We have no option to put it lower, like deeper inside. So because I don't like it the way how it looks like from a side, and I don't need to use a GPS or navigation on my phone in Miami. I don't travel to Alaska with it, so I wanted to put it there just, you know, because we have it in stock, and I think it's the best phone holder that they make for this, but I just don't like it visually, so I'm not gonna run it. So the rubber grommets from the original windscreen has to be transferred and moved to the GIVI one. So let's just remove them and put them there. I cannot wait for me to step back and look at it the way how it looks like, you know. So when you're mounting it, you don't really see how the whole bike looks like. I think it looks much better than the original. One more thing I forgot, I hate these reflectors, so let's just get rid of them. This afuera. Now let's take it outside and let's see how it looks like on Miami sun.